Maybe be like over there.
Okay.
Oh, more there.
Go.
Oh, hey there, Andy.
Hey Joe, what's up?
Hey, how are you doing? How have you been?
I'm good.
How's your semester been going?
It's good.
Oh, well, that's just pretty. Have you enjoyed this weather outside?
Busy.
It's
Yeah.
just lovely. I just love it. It's just so nice and bright.
It's nice.
I love it. How's Grace doing?
They're good.
Oh, that's real nice. How's the conservatory teaching you?
It's good. I'm working hard.
Yeah, that's really nice. I'll talk to you later, okay?
That's great.
All right. Oh, hey there, Andy.
Oh, hey Joe.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Oh, that's real nice. That's pretty nice.
How are you?
Oh, did you see when I walked to your apartment earlier?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really nice. That's really nice.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, I know. You enjoying that boat right there?
It's
Well, that's pretty nice. Yeah. Well, I'll talk to you later, all right?
All right.
All right. Take care now.
Okay,
All right.
All right. I'll see you later.
Well, hey there, Andy. Did you hear that new song called Moon Cat?
Oh no.
Oh yeah, it's real nice. It's really nice.
I bet.
Yeah, that's a nice scarf pick out there. Where'd you get that?
I got it.
Oh, that's real nice. Yeah.
Outfit.
Enjoying this weather?
It's nice.
Yeah, it's really nice. Did you see the nice flowers on the trees and stuff?
I did.
Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah. Well, I'll talk to you later.
All right.
All right.
All right. Bye, Joe.
Bye.
How long was that?
That was a good minute and a half.
Play it back. I want to see it.